Last night, today's Thursday, last night I received an email from the police saying that November 4th, 2021, yeah? Last night, today's Thursday, last night I received an email from the police saying that they have my phone and they are trying to give it to me back. So I'm going over there and let's see what's happening. Right, so I arrived at the police station. There it goes. You can see it over there. Right, so I'm back. Obviously I couldn't film inside of the police station. I had to give them details about my IDs and stuff like that. So eventually they cut the string, and they the lady there behind the counter called a lady officer, and turned out the lady officer was the same lady officer that was that night. She said the police officer that took my phone and my SD card, them two, were not supposed to do that, but they did. It's quite incredible. Now I have my phone back, but anyway, the thing is, I'm happy. She was very apologetic. Obviously it wasn't her fault, so I couldn't say anything anyway, but I thank her because she gave me the email, and then the update was that she said the actual man is 77, but he's on blood thinner pills that made him lose quite a lot of blood. He's still in the hospital. He has one of his legs broken, but other than that, he's okay. So yeah, now I'm going to get on with my normal day. Let's open the phone for the first time in the last 5 weeks, I think. Let's see here. Let's see what's happening. Sorry for the mess. The lady police officer told me that they didn't even downloaded videos from my SD card. They said they couldn't access them, and because of that they didn't even bother, right? So they didn't use my phone, they didn't use my SD card, and everything was a waste of time for me. Over a month I didn't have my phone and my dashcam memory card. It was with them, but they didn't use it. I couldn't use them, so all of this was for nothing, you know. Yay. So fast forward, eventually turns out we needed a lot of juice, just because it hasn't been used for over a month. Let's see what's happening when I turn it on. I'm very curious to see how many people hold on. been contacting me. Huh? Okay. Okay. Go on, go on, go on. So 5 messages, 7 missed calls. What about here? No. I did use my messenger and my Facebook on my computer, so yeah. All good. It's only 7 missed calls and 5 messages. That's it. So I just realized the reason I don't have as many missed calls or anything is because I forgot to mention I ordered another SIM card which is back home to replace the old one that I have in the phone right now. So that's why I don't have mobile data, I don't have service. So it's because I have to activate the newer SIM card. So I'll have to get home and activate that SIM card, and then I will record what's going on the phone. So this was it for today's video. Please like, please share, please subscribe, and if you did already, please don't forget press that notification bell so you can see all of my videos. I'm doing my best, and I'm trying to do every single week at least 1 video a week. I'm trying to put fresh content every week, so stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.